Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can download and install Binance app on your PC. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, on the top search bar, type Binance app and press on the enter key. Now tap on downloads from the official Binance website. It will then lead you to the official Binance website. Here you can see 4 options: app download, desktop, Binance API, authenticator. Since we're going to download the app for desktop, tap on the desktop option. There you will see 3 options. Tap on the whichever model of PC you use. I'm going to tap on download for Windows because I use a Windows PC. Then your Binance app will start downloading. As you can see in the top right corner of my screen, the download button is loading. After the download is completed, you'll then be asked to install the app. Due to the security reasons of the website, the screen recorded section is not being shown. After you tap on the install button, your Binance app for PC will be downloaded. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment down below.